summer is all about celebration, and we've all used rose petals for an alternative to confetti.
Well, you know, we got this little clever idea about something else from your garden you can also make confetti with, and that's different types of leaves. Now, you can also take like a 3-hole punch. This is an iris leaf, so I thought, well, maybe we can get 3 at one time, and then the process will go faster. And sure enough, that works really well.
And you know, we used rose leaves, and those are really good. They're just the right thickness. We also found hosta leaves, peony leaves, even hellebore leaves. We tried weeds, but it just was too flimsy.
And so, you know, if you think, well, I don't have a lot of, you know, really beautiful big petaled flowers in my garden, you don't have to worry. Just go out, cut some leaves, and make leaf confetti for your next celebration.